Hello, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and today's topic is the technical data package. The technical data package is powerful because it allows one who is designing some component or an assembly to package all the PMI and all the other data that's associated with a component or an assembly in one file, one source of truth. And the reason why that's important is because many mistakes, many manufacturing mistakes, and very costly mistakes come from the eventuality of the data that represents a part to be different than the part itself. And so if you can imagine, you're trying to get something manufactured and you have a definition of a component that is a step file and a separate PDF, and you send these to your manufacturing partners and they do the quoting and they look at the PDF and so on and so forth. And at some point, there might be a change in the design. Maybe they suggest some things that they would like to change in order to make the manufacturing less expensive. And then that change is communicated, and perhaps the 3D CAD is changed, but the PDF lags behind. And certainly if somebody has printed off the PDF, the 2D representation of the part, they went on vacation or what have you, and they printed it out, and that paper is still there. There's a good chance that all of that paper is not retrieved, and there's many cases where folks are manufacturing to old versions, et cetera, et cetera. So it gets confusing. So that's only one of the problems that happens when you have less than a single or more than a single source of truth. The next thing about the technical data package is it allows you to package spec sheets or other forms that contain the product definition data, such as some sort of definition of a process in the same technical data package. And it's a full 3D definition of the component. In order to use it, you click on your PMI tab and you will find the publish and the new template. Perhaps you want to do a new template, so you can click on the template tab and you can start and create your own template. And then you can begin with the technical data package. So you might start with a generic template. I'm just going to take this one, for example. So here's a generic template, and then you can, let's say, import an image into that template, if you will. File here, let's go with this perhaps. And so now there you go. There you have it. I have the ability, by the location over here, I have the ability to put this little graphic in my technical data package, like so. And I have the ability to edit the size, etc. So at some point, you've got your template created, and then away you go. You go to your part, there we go. And you say that you would like to use the your publish command. With the publish command, you look into the templates that you've created, and you find one that suits you, and you now have that selected. You locate a nice location for it to be published to. In this case, it's Pivot Ring V2. Okay, and you go to the text command, and you enter the name. Here's my name, Steve. Okay, you put in a date, 1/1/2026, let's say, because we're a forward-thinking company here at Design Visionaries. We're looking at January 1st, 2026. We put in a part number, like that. We enter some text, like so. Then we go to attachments. With attachments, we can hit the browse button, and we can go and we can put in some sort of PDF file, and then we go to the viewport, and the viewport allows us to select a view that will go in the main view or the front view of the technical data package, and we say okay. And then, as you can see, we get a lot of blinking, and you get a lot of things going on to create the technical data package. And at some point, you have to optimize it, or not optimize it, enable it. Okay, let's shrink it down and see what's going on here. Let's get shrinks there. Okay, and give it some time to update. And the technical data package has been created. And once the technical data package has been created, you can see that you now have the ability to go into the technical data package and rotate it and zoom in and check different dimensions where they're pointing to. And so you have a full three-dimensional definition of the component. So that's fantastic. You send that off to your manufacturing partners. Of course, this is a PDF so that you can have signatures. You could do an e-sign, because folks ask the question that when you're using the technical data package and you don't have a printed out 2D drawing, then what becomes the legal document that really defines the component? And so with the e-signature ability and the other abilities that you have with your technical data package, you can do that. In conclusion, the technical data package is part and parcel of the model-based definition paradigm, a change in paradigm. And in order to be successful, it would be really great to understand the ins and outs and talk to folks who have been very successful with model-based definition. And model-based definition for some companies have saved them 30% on development costs. So there's really a lot to it. There's tolerance stack-up analysis that you get automatically. There's CMM programming. There's the advisor, which enables you to ensure that the PMI that you've put on your component actually makes sense. So it kind of checks that for you. And there's all sorts of other benefits of adopting the model-based definition paradigm. Again, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and thank you very much for listening.